Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is power, the rate of energy transfer. By the end of this video, you'll know the formula, the watt as a unit, and how the kilowatt hour shows up on every electricity bill. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred. So P equals energy divided by time. The unit is the watt, or 1 joule per second. A 60-watt bulb transfers 60 joules every second. A 2 kilowatt kettle transfers 2000 joules per second. Three things. 1. Power and energy aren't the same. Energy is the total. Power is the rate. 2. The kilowatt hour, kWh, is the unit used on electricity bills. 1 kilowatt hour equals 3.6 million joules. 3. For force-driven systems, P equals F times V. Common slip. Confusing power and energy on the same problem. If a question asks for energy and you give a power figure, or vice versa, you'll lose marks. Read the units carefully. Quick example. A 2 kilowatt kettle runs for 5 minutes. Energy is power times time. 2000 times 300 equals 600,000 joules or 600 kilojoules. Cost at 30p per kilowatt hour, about 5p. Multiply small things by big things and the kettle bill mounts up. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged for each subject. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.